Hello, my name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Richard from Flannery Plant Hire. And what have you won today?
Yes, I've won the Regional and National Plant Technician of the Year for the apprenticeship scheme around here.
And how do you feel winning both awards?
Honestly, it was a shock. Like, I did not expect it at all. So hearing my name get called out for both the first and the second time, honestly, best feeling in the world. I wouldn't take it back.
So what do you do on a day-to-day basis within your job role?
So on a day-to-day basis, I repair machines if there's any damages to them. I've recently been promoted to a road fitter, so right now I go around all the HS2 sites, anything that my boss Andy or Keith tell me that go to this site, go to that site, customers damage this machine, and I go look at it and see, order the parts, and then go onwards from there and just repair it.
So what's one thing you would say to someone that's looking to get into a career being a plant technician?
One thing that I'd say to someone looking is just go for it. Don't hesitate. The longer you procrastinate, the longer it's going to be. Like, as soon as you get your foot through the door. For the first 3 to 6 months, it's going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy, but once you start picking up stuff, and if you really do want it, you'll be flying. You'll love it. Like, for me, for instance, when I first got into it, I wasn't too sure about it. I was like, just still looking at other career paths. But then as soon as I got my head stuck in, I started to actually put my heart into it. I started to fly, and yeah, the work shows, I suppose.
Definitely does show. And thank you for your time today, Richard, and congratulations.
Appreciate that. Thank you.